Welcome back to another saucy video. Today I will be making a baked mac and cheese with ribeye steak. So we're going to start with some vegan cheese. This is by Dea. This is the mozzarella style shredded cheese. It makes it very creamy and rich. I'm also going to use the cheddar cheese by Dea to give it two nice, really rich, creamy flavors. I'm going to add almond milk. You can also use heavy whipping cream. I don't have it pictured here, but that's also a great option to kind of thicken up the cheese. You'll want to use panko crumbs, and that's going to be for the top of the macaroni and cheese. We're going to start by adding the milk and the cheeses to the pan and stir till it's a nice creamy consistency and this bright orange color as you see here. We're going to boil and strain some elbow pasta. Mix in the cheese sauces. You're going to mix it really well until all of the pasta is coated with the cheese mixture. You'll need a 9 by 11 baking dish. And then we're going to continue to mix that mixture till it's really well coated. Look how good that looks. It's nice and creamy and cheesy at the same time. And that's what the consistency that you're going to want it to be before adding it to the pot. Then you're going to add the cheese mixture into your baking dish. It's going to look like that. Now's the time that you're going to add the extra cheeses on top, sprinkle the panko crumbs, and then you can put a little bit of Italian seasoning to give it a nice color on top. You're going to bake at 350 degrees for 35 minutes. You're going to make sure that it's covered and then remove the cover and bake for another 10 minutes at 425 degrees so that the top is nice and golden brown. As Tabitha Brown says, like so, like that. Now it's time to serve it up. Now we're going to take two 6 to 8 ounce ribeye steaks, put a little oil in the pan, make sure it's well heated, stick it on one side for 5 minutes, and then flip to the other side for another 3 to 5 minutes. Now we're going to add a small pat of butter to each steak, turn off the stove and let it sit for 5 minutes, and then serve with your baked mac and cheese. And voila, simple and easy, baked mac and cheese with ribeye steak. I hope you enjoyed my video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.